In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in WordPress Elementor. Breadcrumbs are a simple but very useful navigation feature that shows visitors where they are on your website. For example, they can help someone move from a blog post back to the blog page or from a product page back to a category page. They improve navigation and can make your site feel more organized and easier to explore. To get started, go to your site editor. This is the area where you can customize the layout and content of your website. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the page or template where you want the breadcrumbs to appear. This is important because breadcrumbs are usually placed near the top of a page, so visitors can immediately understand their location within your site structure. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon. This opens the block or element inserter, which lets you add new content components to your page. If you're not sure where it is at first, just look for the small plus symbol in the upper left area of the editing panel. After that, click into the search field and type bread. You don't need to type the full word. Typing part of the word is usually enough to quickly find the breadcrumb option without scrolling through a long list of blocks or widgets. This is a helpful shortcut whenever you're trying to locate something specific in the editor. Once the search results appear, click on breadcrumbs. As soon as you do that, the breadcrumbs element will be added to your layout. From there, you can position it where it makes the most sense for your design, typically near the page title or at the top of the main content area. If you want the best result visually, take a moment to check how it looks within the rest of your page layout. Breadcrumbs should be easy to notice, but not distracting. They work best when they blend naturally with your site's design and help guide the visitor without taking attention away from the main content. And that's it. That's how to add breadcrumbs in WordPress Elementor. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in usability and overall site navigation.